know? But I never felt the need. But then when I saw your daughter, I felt like I wanted to jump in and render some assistance, seeing as she's this beautiful young lady and she looks like she has potential to go places. And so that's when it dawned on me, say, if I offer it in so many other communities, why not offer one here? And I believe your daughter, Brittany, is a perfect person, perfect candidate for such an assistance. If it looks at the start, man, it's nothing out of the ordinary. So what I normally do, I normally go in communities, depending on my feel or the energy that I get from the person. And then I would render some form of assistance. Yes,
Give me a minute.
Miss Ione.
What's your name again?
Mr. Freehand.
Mr.
Freehand, but most people call me Chaz.
Mr. Freehand. It is my pleasure meeting you.